Hey y'all, it's your girl Millie Chun, and today is day 26 of the Diddy Trial. But it came to a screeching halt, and let's find out why. According to Inner City Press, today, U.S. versus Sean Combs, day 26 or not, the judge has canceled today due to the fact that there's a juror who had vertigo on the way to court and can't come today. So there's not going to be any trial today. So the judge is like, I don't see how we can proceed today. So the AUSA is asking, it's more than a one-day thing. And the judge said, it sounds like a more one-time thing, Mr. Agnifilio. And Agnifilio says, could we have a sealed sidebar so I can ask questions? So the AUSA said, fine, sealed. They go have a sidebar. Even in a quick day, they're at the judge's desk in a sidebar. So child, while they up here at the sidebar, there was another juror, after juror 6 was excluded and, replaced with the alternate, there's a juror that they're discussing. He said, was the subject of yesterday's threat to seize and search all cell phones, because information is getting out some kind of way. Now, these jurors are not sequestered. They just going home at the end of the day. I'm sure somebody's talking, right? Would this be a time to switch a second juror to an alternate? That's probably what's going to happen. So at 9:04, they came back. The judge said, very good. We're going to inquire further into the juror issue. Meanwhile, some exhibits have been flagged. D-Rock's Mr. Driscoll. And Driscoll was like, there's no foundation. This is one stop. So then Driscoll is like, in the absence of proof that it is one stop, it's not relevant. The judge is like, it's obviously a drug transaction. Miss Steiner, with whom does this exhibit be used for or whatever? Steiner's like, no particular witness. Even if it's not one stop, there's much about drugs. Now, I didn't look at this at all yesterday, so I don't know who one stop is. I don't know if that's Brendan or it's actually someone else, but the AUSA was like, the second chat is about 3 bottles for a price. And the judge is like, if you had someone who would easily reference this as one stop's number, but I've just read this, it's some kind of transaction, but it does not reference drugs. And the AUSA is like, we may have another exhibit that could establish this. The judge is like, okay, we'll see. Ms. Shapiro, in the defendant's request to charge the issue, is raised about how the RICO predicate should be addressed. Let me refresh your recollection. So then they request to charge will be addressed. The judge said, anything more before we end? The AUSA said, let me pull up the exhibits. Judge, I'm looking at 432. Seems it links the number 7,333 with one stop. Mr. Driscoll, Combs, Driscoll. It still can't be taken to refer to drugs. So clearly they're trying to put this on one stop. Whatever it is, they want it to be on one stop. So up here they're talking about the shape and the color of the different drugs. AUSA said football, the shape, and Ms. Ventura said that perks were yellow. The defendant's chats with one stop are not hearsay. That applies to D-Rock's chats as well. The judge is like, that doesn't address what Mr. Driscoll says. And the AUSA says A-432 is a longer chat with reference to drugs, including yellow footballs. The judge is like, why don't you send that to the court? They need that to be in the docket, right? And then he adjourned until Friday. So they got a day off. And I know they're happy. I know the content creators are happy because you need a break from this. Let me know what y'all think about this. It's your girl Millie Chun, and this is an update. Bye, y'all.